Hey guys, Chase here with Western Distributing, back with another training video. Today we are going to be closing the quarter on an Aero International machine. So the first thing we're going to want to do is put our machine into maintenance mode using our gold key. From here we will go ahead and select reports on the top left. We will enter in our passcode that is generated. Okay, we will go ahead and we'll disable all the machines on this bottom left tab. Go ahead and select OK. And then from here, if you have more than one machine, you will go ahead and put each machine into maintenance mode. And we can go ahead and use our blue key and open our belly door. We will then use our red key to open the cash box door. We will pull out the cash box. You will select yes. It says, do you want to empty the box? Yes. It will print out our summary tickets with all of our totals. You will go ahead, the organization will be in charge of pulling the cash from the cash box. And then once when it's empty, you can go ahead and replace that. Use your red key to lock it back up. Go ahead and shut your door. You can hit log out. Okay. And then we can return back to the machine that you have designated for your reporting. So usually sites will have one arrow that does all the reporting, so that would be the mothership. So we will go ahead, turn that maintenance key, go back to reports, enter in your code, and then we will click our interim period report tab. And then once when this little box comes up that says report saved, that means you're good to go. So we go ahead and click OK. And then at the bottom right, we will enable all machines. That will bring all the machines back online. And then you can just do a simple logout. So that's how we do the IPAR, or the interim period report. So now we will do a monthly interim report. And that, you're going to go back to your reports here, enter in your passcode. We will select our, first we got to disable them all. And then we will select our monthly interim audit report. That will say saved, and you're good to go on that. And then once when the IPAR, or the interim period reports, and the monthly interim audit reports are completed, then we can go ahead and do a quarter close. So what we're going to want to do is go ahead right up here and just close that quarter. It says this will close all tickets. You will go ahead and select yes. Once when that is selected, it cannot be undone. So make sure you have everything correct before you hit yes. So we'll hit yes. It'll ask for an access code. You will get a message that's saying the closed quarter was successful. So you can go ahead and select yes. And that is good as well. And the last step we have before completing a quarter close is going to be the close game summary report. This has to be done at the end of your quarter close, which is going to be this blue tab right here. So you can just go ahead and put close game summary report. Wait till this box comes up that says it's saved, and you can go ahead and select OK. The close game summary report, that just gets sent back to Aero, and that just goes for the overall reporting process. And that is how you close a quarter on an Aero International machine.